Welcome to the latest edition of Career Videos by the Knowledge Academy, where today's video is about the blockchain developer. Before moving on to the session, if you like what you're about to see, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and enabling that bell icon next to it so that you would never miss out on any of the informative content that we put out. So without further ado, let's take a look at the agenda for this video. Initially, we'll go through the various benefits, then the roles and responsibilities, then comes the skills, and then we will see the top companies, and after which we will see the salary. So let's move on to our first topic. Benefits. The advanced technological developments have led to an all-time high demand for blockchain experts who have the right skills, educational qualifications, and know-how of the continuously altering trends. Further, the skills surrounding rapidly growing technology has helped the market become more competitive for job candidates. The overall employment rate for software developers is expected to increase by 25% from the year 2021 to 2031. It is much faster than the average for all jobs. Also, companies are paying higher salary to professionals and experienced developers, so it is the right time for you to opt a blockchain developer job position, which brings us to the roles and responsibilities. Collaborating with managers to determine blockchain technology needs and envisaged functionalities. Creating application features and interfaces by using programming languages and writing multi-threaded code. Applying the latest cryptology techniques to protect digital transaction data against cyber attacks and information hacks. Maintaining client and server-side applications. Then comes optimizing and securing blockchain applications by integrating new tools and technologies. Then comes educating sales personnel on blockchain features that allows secure digital payments. And then documenting blockchain development processes and complying with best practices in data protection. And then finally, keeping up with the current blockchain technologies and cryptography methods. Up next, skills. If you possess exceptional skills, you will become one step closer to getting hired by the top-tier MNCs. Following are some of the technical and the soft skills you need to have to become a professional blockchain developer. Technical skills. Knowledge of cryptography. Blockchain includes data structures and advanced cryptography. Therefore, one should have a good understanding of cryptographic methods. Well-versed with programming languages. Some popular programming languages for blockchain development include C, JavaScript, Python, Ruby, Golang, C#, and Java. A great blockchain professional must be an expert in at least one of these languages. Proficiency in data structures. You should have a vast knowledge of various data structures to build networks and implement them frequently. Comprehension of blockchain architecture. Knowing blockchain architecture is a prerequisite for becoming a blockchain developer. You should be familiar with the concepts of consensus, ledgers, and smart contracts. Soft skills. Strong communication skills. One must have the ability to communicate effectively within the team to convey project requirements. Ability to seamlessly collaborate. Seamless collaboration helps smooth coordination with the team to ensure a better work environment. Problem-solving skills. Active listening and analysis and decision-making are essential to problem-solving. Finally, time management. Prioritizing tasks, thinking strategically, and multitasking will help to manage time efficiently. Now let's see some of the top companies using blockchain. Big brands and MNCs are actively hiring blockchain developers. Let's see how much the top companies offer to potential blockchain developers. Reply, an Italian company, offers £49,000 to the blockchain developer in their company. Binance, a cryptocurrency exchange company that provides more than £69,000. Crypto.com is one of the most popular cryptocurrency exchange company based in Singapore, which provides about £96,000 on average. Then comes Kraken Digital Asset Exchange. It is a United States-based cryptocurrency exchange, which offers a salary about £56,000. Then comes Stratus, which is a highly decentralized blockchain development platform, which provides a salary of about £83,000 on an average. Then the Atlas City is a London-based startup focusing on blockchain. It also offers a salary of about £50,000. Clearmatics, which is a London-based blockchain company that provides a salary of about £67,000 on an average to blockchain developers. And then finally, Blockdemon is the leading independent blockchain node infrastructure that provides a salary of about £76,000. Now let us see the salaries. Increasing demand for blockchain engineers and developers are making their salaries skyrocket globally. Comparing their pay to those of their peers in other programming fields, blockchain professionals are paid the most. According to the job location, let's take a look at the average salaries of blockchain developers around the globe. In London, on an average, a blockchain developer can earn up to £72,000. In San Diego, a city in California, on an average, a person can earn up to £147,000 as a blockchain developer. A developer of blockchain can earn up to £145,000 in Seattle, which is a city in Washington state. San Francisco Bay Area. In this area, a blockchain developer can earn up to £143,000. Phoenix, in this city, the blockchain developers earn up £139,000. Boston, the average salary is about £128,000. The demand of blockchain in Los Angeles is high. They offer £134,000. In Austin, the basic salary of the blockchain developer is about £134,000. Minneapolis or St. Paul, it is offering about £136,000. And finally, the blockchain developers are getting £137,000 salary in New York. The salary of a blockchain developer is not limited to the extent of the area or the company. There is no such bar for deserving or potential developers. So keep working and get that job. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.